Arrow's PT23G Pneumatic Pin Nailer offers power in every use and can tackle any project quickly and effortlessly. This reliable pin nailer is the perfect tool for jobs around the home or industrial settings. With a convenient side load magazine, a comfortable rubber grip, and an adjustable exhaust cover, this tool is lightweight and easy to use. The air inlet fittings will attach to any standard pneumatic hose and will operate with home compressors up to 120 psi. And of course, safety is key. This tool has a built-in contact safety feature to prevent accidental misfires. The PT23G works with all sizes of Arrow pin nails. Plus, Arrow offers online video instructions for reloading and unjamming this tool. Unlike previous models, the PT23G does not require pneumatic oil, making it easier to maintain. The PT23G is ideal for nailing into harder materials, perfect for light trim and molding projects, hobby woodworking projects, and crafts. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. Be sure to tag Arrow Fastener on social media. We'd love to see the projects you're working on.